The loss of ancient trees, including both young and old ones we have seen and interacted with over the years, can evoke a profound sense of grief and anger in those who cherish the natural world. As these magnificent beings that have graced our land for decades or centuries are cut down, it is essential for us to pause, come together, and honor their lives. Through understanding the interconnectedness of all living beings, we can pay tribute to the wisdom and beauty they shared with us while advocating for a sustainable future. Let's explore some ways to celebrate the life force of fallen trees, express gratitude for their presence, and commit to being stewards of the land. Trees have long been considered symbols of strength, wisdom, and connection. These ancient beings have witnessed the passage of time and the countless changes on our planet. Deep in the earth, their roots remind us of our connection to the land, while their branches stretch toward the heavens, illustrating our aspirations for growth and spiritual evolution. The life force of these trees is a testament to the resilience of nature, even in the face of adversity. To honor the sacredness of all life, even in the face of loss and change, we begin by expressing our gratitude for the time we were gifted to share with these senior trees. Each of us can recount our own personal memories of their beauty and the majesty. Perhaps it was a quiet moment of reflection beneath their shade, or a blissful communion with the birds and animals that called them home. Whatever your experiences may be, hold them close to your heart as we remember the countless ways these trees have touched our lives. As we gather our thoughts and emotions, we can also acknowledge these trees' role in the web of life. The interconnectedness of all living beings is a fundamental tenet of many spiritual paths, and these ancient trees are no exception. They provided shelter and sustenance for countless generations of creatures, and their roots formed a vast network that connected them to the earth and to one another. In honoring their memory, we reaffirm our commitment to the networking of all life and our role within the greater ecosystem. Recognizing the importance of ancient trees within the ecosystem and the sacredness of all life, we must also commit to being protectors of the remaining forests. As stewards of the land, we are responsible for ensuring that future generations can experience the beauty and wisdom of these ancient beings. Advocating for sustainable development, practices that consider the well-being of all life forms, is paramount. By uniting our voices in love and respect for nature, we can bring about a brighter, greener future for our world. This advocacy can take many forms, including supporting policies that protect old-growth forests, educating others about the importance of conservation, and participating in local initiatives that promote reforestation and habitat restoration. One way to pay tribute to the fallen trees and nurture our connection to the earth is by performing a ritual of remembrance and healing. This can be done individually or in a group setting, allowing for a shared experience of grief and reverence. It does not matter if we are doing this for the loss of an old-growth forest or a favorite tree that was recently cut down in your neighborhood. Loss is loss, and while the loss of an ancient tree may have greater implications for the biome, having a favorite tree just outside suddenly cut and heartlessly yanked from the earth can result in levels of personal trauma. Planting new seeds of native species around the area can create a living tribute to their memory. Each seedling will symbolize hope, resilience, and the ongoing cycle of life. As these new trees grow, they will carry on the legacy of their ancient predecessors and continue to nurture the land and its inhabitants. Perhaps a future generation may also connect with these trees as you once did in the past. Consider incorporating other elements that resonate with your spiritual practices to further enhance this ritual. This may include meditation, prayer, or the use of sacred objects such as crystals, feathers, or offerings of gratitude. By creating a sacred space for reflection and connection, we honor the ancient tree's memory while fostering healing within ourselves and our community. The spirit of these old trees is not lost, but transformed. Their physical forms may no longer stand tall, but their essence lives on in the seeds we plant, the memories we cherish, the forests that remain, and the actions we take to protect and honor the natural world. By nurturing our connection to these trees and the earth, while honoring their memory and embracing our role as stewards of the land, we can transform our grief into a powerful force for change and ensure that the wisdom and beauty they brought to our lives will never truly be lost. Beyond rituals and advocacy, we can also honor the legacy of ancient trees by cultivating a culture of gratitude and mindfulness in our daily lives. By taking the time to appreciate the beauty and wisdom of the natural world, we strengthen our connection to the earth and remind ourselves of the sacredness of all life, including how we are all connected. This can be as simple as pausing to admire a tree during a walk, expressing gratitude for the clean air we breathe, or acknowledging the role that plants play in our lives by providing food, shelter, and medicine. In times of loss, it is essential for us to honor the legacy of ancient trees by cherishing our memories, advocating for sustainable practices, and committing to the earth's well-being. Through rituals of remembrance and healing, we can transform grief and anger into a powerful force for change. Wisdom, ensuring the beauty of these fallen trees, continues to inspire future generations. Let us reaffirm our interconnectedness with the natural world and strengthen our resolve to protect and nurture the earth. In doing so, we honor the memory of the ancient trees and contribute to creating a more sustainable, compassionate, and spiritually connected world. I would love to hear how this goes and the positive effects it brings into your life. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.